Hi everybody, my name is Savannah and this is my sister Harmony.
Hi.
And today we're going to be opening a surprise package from Micador Kids Art and Craft Australia. We are super excited to open this and we can't wait to see what's inside. So let's get to it. Oh my god, this is awesome! So we got two Micador DIY jewellery kits. I got the Berrylicious edition.
And I got the lollipop edition.
Wow, this is awesome. Thank you, Micador. Let's see what's inside. So we got some paints of all different colours. We got a paintbrush. We also got some beads to put on as the bracelet or necklace. And we've also got the rope. And, oh yeah, then we just got some instructions and then we got some tape as well. This is so cool. I can't wait to make my own necklace or bracelet. Hey, so Harmony, how are you going?
I'm going good.
So this is her work in progress. She's painted some of the beads and she's working on making her bracelet and she's threaded some beads through and I think it looks really good so far. Good job. Oh, I'm going really good. I've been painting some of my beads and I've been putting them on my bracelet that I'm making right now and I think it looks awesome. And this is the finished product. So I made a bracelet and I used all different types of patterns and colors and I think it looks amazing. What did you make?
A choker.
Ooh, choker's good. And I also made this caterpillar shaped thing that I actually put on my keys. And this can be a cute decoration to your key. It can even be a key ring. And you can show it off to all your friends. And I think it's amazing.
I made a bracelet.
Oh, another bracelet. Yeah, we are so excited to wear this to school and everywhere. And can't wait to show it to our friends. So thank you so much, Micador. Okay guys, so me and my sister are going to surprise our little siblings with our creation. So we're putting it in this box here and hopefully they like it. Hi girls, we have a surprise for you. Hopefully you like it. Do you want to open up the box? What do you think's inside? Wow, what do you think of it?
It's cool.
Show us of what you think. Show us all the different ones.
Scarlett got this bracelet, so cool.
What did you get, Scarlett?
I got a key and a bracelet.
Oh, that's so special, isn't it? What do you guys say?
Thank you.
That's okay. Well, we hope you guys like it. Thank you, Micador, so much for our DIY jewelry kits. We love them so much and it was so fun making them and I loved enjoying it. I loved all the different types of paint colors. The only thing I would say is if you're using the DIY jewelry kits, make sure you use a paper towel or something underneath because it can get quite messy. And if you like watching our video about our Micador DIY jewelry kits and you want to know more, go follow their Instagram, which is Micador. And thank you so much, Micador, for sending this to us. We loved it. Bye!